Welcome back everyone. This is CASIO CT-X700. Let's check it out. This is the keyboard and we got a book holder with it. .5 volt 1 ampere power adapter. Let's plug in and wake it up. Some paperwork with user manual. If you are a beginner, you can got a lot information about your keyboard from this manual. Built-in 160 songs, 195 rhythms and 600 tones. Multi-information display, phone holder. These three are the buttons to select a desired audio type and below there a bank button to preset different audio combinations as per your needs. A numeric keypad to select a particular audio. And at back side we got a audio out, power in, aux in and a pedal connector at right side, Casio branding and a USB MIDI connector at right side. To connect it as a MIDI device, you need to purchase a separate USB type A to type B cable. As you can see, I have written key names by using a marker, as I am currently at beginner level. Hit the like button guys and let me know it in the comment section below if you have any issue related to this video. And thank you for watching this video.